I'm losing my mind in here. I'm usually a homebody, but the option to go out has been taken away from me, so
Somebody's no difference. I can do that.
I'm filming. Anyway,
I'm doing whatever.
I will kill you.
Okay.
I did a little bit of retail therapy. So I got these clip-ins from Better Length Hair, and I got the Afro Kinky Curly clip-in set, which is for 3C to 4A hair. Now my hair is a little bit looser than that, but I messaged the company on Instagram. Like, I sent them pictures and I told them what I was planning on doing with the hair, because I'm planning on dyeing it blonde. And they're like, the curl does loosen up a little bit, so you might want to get something that's a little bit tighter. So I went the next size down. I ordered them Friday the 3rd of April, and I got them maybe like Tuesday, I think. It wasn't that long, and I think they were set to come Monday, but then they got held up. But yeah, so let's open these. Oh, I got these in 20 inches and it's 235 grams. I need inches. I don't know why I thought it was gonna come in a box, but it didn't. It just came in a bag. Not this bag. It came in another bag outside of this bag, and then inside was this bag. I thought it would be nice to order these, as I'm not like an influencer or anyone big, so you can actually see the quality as if somebody normal ordered them. Okay, so it does come in a little black bag, little satin bag, which is very cute. It's got the name on it. I hear a lot of plastic in there. Oh, this is really cute. The lining is also pink. Sit back here. Inside the bag you get a little card just to tag them in your social media pictures. Oh my god, is this needle and thread? You get needle, thread, some clips. Won't be using that, but thanks. Another package of needle and thread. Okay. Oh, okay. This is like a little pamphlet. Just how you should wash them, how you can reduce tingling and shedding, just maintenance. Here they are. I've been waiting so long to open these. Let me just put it down a little bit more. First of all, they smell like, yeah, it has a little bit of a smell to it. They're so soft though, oh my goodness. Let's cut this. Wow, look how beautiful it is. It doesn't, I don't know, when I I expected to open the package and be like, oh my god, it looks just like my hair, but it doesn't look like my hair. I don't know, I think it's just the color. I have to dye it. I mean, my mom braided my hair pretty tight. This is a braid out and it's a little tighter than my natural hair. So I thought it could, oh, that's not bad, right? Wow, it's so pretty. Let me get my little measuring tape because I ordered 20 inches and I know some companies like to be like, oh, this is 20 inches when you're like, is it though? Oh, let's see how many clips we have too. So I have one weft with 5 clips. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard
That's my
that.
stomach.
You need to eat, dude.
Another one with 5. One with 4. Another with 4. One with 3. I'm assuming the next one is with 3. Yep. One with 2. 2 with 2. 3, 4. So 4 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with 4, and 2 with 5. Now that I've separated, I have to say that it looks really, really full. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna try and lift it all up. I think that once I, like this is a whole head of hair. Once I wash it, comb it, you know, get it right, this is gonna be so fluffy. It just smells a little weird. It's not unbearable, it's not bad, but it's not good either. It's like, I don't want to say chemical either because it doesn't smell chemical, but I don't know what it is. So let me see how long this is stretched out. So let me see, it's supposed to be 20 inches. It's exactly 20 inches. Wow. Shrinkage is real. Okay, just because I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. This looks so weird. Dan, look. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Obviously because it's not the same hair color as mine, but this is how long it would be if I just left them, which is cute. But I need more length, only because my natural hair is like here. I want a little bit more than just this. I don't know, let me see what it looks like. It's like in the middle of my back. That's not bad. If you guys want to stick around for my journey, there's not a lot of videos of people dyeing these on YouTube, so I think that could be interesting. We'll see if how well it takes the dye, and we'll also see if the texture changes drastically and what the quality is looking like after I dye them. Say bye, Dan.
Later.